don't know what I'm going to do about the car noise from the busy street beside the house, but we'll get through. Today's job is going to be removing this seat, which is a double bench seat on the passenger side. We're going to replace it with a single seat, and while we're at it, we're going to install a swivel under the single seat. And then we're going to test the driver's seat and see if we need to order a lower base, but we'll get there when we get there. First order of business will be removing this double bench seat, so we'll have to disconnect the van battery and then make disconnects underneath the seat for the seat belt, the occupancy sensor, and the airbag. Then we can unbolt the seat and move it out of the way. So we'll come back. A little less traffic would be great. If you don't know, the Promaster battery is sort of in front of the front seat, underneath this panel.
So what exactly are you looking for?
I'm not looking for anything. So
you said
we'll lift up
plumber's tool kit.
We'll lift up this panel and disconnect the battery. All right, battery disconnected. So disconnected the negative. Positive won't matter if the negative's not on. And just to make sure that nothing touches anything, I'm just going to put this box in here so that it can't accidentally get stepped on and do anything terrible. Just a space holder. This is what the bottom, the back of the bench looks like. Passenger side, middle seat, it's all still sitting on the same track as the single seat would go on, so the middle seat doesn't have its own base or anything, it's just an extension. And so this box here I think is the tire jack, so we'll pull that out and then we'll unplug the yellow connector, which is seat belt, and then there's an occupancy sensor there in the back that's black. And then there's an occupancy sensor under the middle seat, which is white. And same thing here, this is yellow for seatbelt and orange for airbag. So that orange one sets off the airbag, which is why you want to undo the cab battery first. I don't know if these are gonna work.
This thing just...
Purple guy. So this little purple thumb piece.
Does it push down?
Yeah. I have smaller thumbs. Do you want me to do it?
Something like this one.
And this guy is supposed to do it.
There we go. Oh, no, don't need to do that. Hold
Yep.
it apart.
Great. Punchy ones, I think. Okay, so all the sensors are disconnected from each other. Occupancy sensor for the middle seat, seatbelt sensor for the middle seat. We have these little resistors. Turn. And so we're going to cut these wires, or cut these off, and then hook the resistors up to the wires in accordance with the diagram. Bench side closest to the door, we have unplugged the seat belt, the airbag, and the occupancy sensor. And we'll leave these guys with the van. These pieces just stay attached to the seat. We're going to go around the front. And this had a nice little cover. Unbolt 1, 2. Putting it in? Oh no, he's putting it in. Back, they hook onto these plugs that pop up. There's like a little fork on each side. You have to make sure you hook them on there and then push them down and put that bolt in.